Hey there, welcome to this video on making money online. Today, I'm going to show you how you can earn money by watching YouTube Shorts. And the best part? You can earn $14.50 for every single video that you watch. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. First, let me explain what YouTube Shorts are. They're basically vertical videos that are 60 seconds or less in length. They're similar to TikTok videos and they're becoming increasingly popular on YouTube. Many content creators are now making shorts as a way to engage with their audience in a new way. So, how can you make money by watching YouTube Shorts? Well, there's a website called Shorted that pays you to watch shorts. It's a legitimate platform that pays you for your time, and it's completely free to sign up. Once you sign up for Shorted, you'll start receiving short videos to watch. Each video is only 60 seconds or less, and you'll earn $14.50 for every single one that you watch. The videos are usually from popular YouTubers or content creators, so you'll get to see some amazing content while you're earning money. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. But how often do you get videos to watch? It depends on how many creators are uploading shorts, but you should get a few videos to watch every day. And the more active you are on the platform, the more videos you'll get to watch. One thing to keep in mind is that you'll need to complete a quick survey after watching each video. This is to ensure that you actually watched the video and paid attention to it. But don't worry, the surveys are quick and easy to complete, and they don't take up much of your time. So, how much money can you actually make with Shorted? Well, it depends on how often you receive videos to watch. But some users have reported earning up to $200 per month just by watching short videos. That's a decent amount of extra cash for just a few minutes of your time each day. It's also worth noting that Shorted pays out via PayPal, so you'll need a PayPal account to receive your earnings. One thing to keep in mind when using Shorted or any other similar platform is to be wary of scams. Make sure you're using a legitimate platform and don't give out any personal information or payment information to sites that seem sketchy. In conclusion, watching YouTube Shorts on Shorted is an easy and fun way to earn some extra cash in your free time. It's a legitimate platform that pays you for your time, and it's completely free to sign up. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful in showing you how to make money online by watching YouTube Shorts in 2023.